Hi dears, welcome back to Vidyanagar online class. Hope you all are fine.
Okay, so in the last class we discussed about continuous tense, present continuous tense and past continuous tense, and I hope you all completed your homework, right? So let's move to vocabulary next. Okay, vocabulary. Here, look at these words: impossible, unbearable, incorrect. Impossible, unbearable, incorrect. Okay, the words, can you see here? I am. Okay, then here un, then in, right? Im and in, these words are in bold. Okay, so here we use the prefixes im, in and un in the beginning of some words to form their opposite. So what we said? Yes, we can add prefixes. What is meant by prefixes? Yes, the things, the words that we can add before a word. A word that we can, not a word, okay? Like this, im, in, un. So if we add something before a word, we can say that is prefix. Okay. So we use the prefixes im, in, un. These words I am, I, n, u, n, un. Okay. In the beginning, the starting of some words to form their opposites. So if we add im before possible, we got what? Impossible. Possible? Yes, possible you know, right? And its opposite word is what? Impossible. Bearable, opposite, unbearable. Correct, opposite, incorrect. Like that here. Yes, here you can see possible, opposite word, impossible. Correct, opposite word, incorrect. Then tidy, opposite word, untidy. And here, write the opposite of these words by adding the correct prefixes. Okay, here, first one is what? Friendly. Okay, friendly. Opposite word is unfriendly. Then second one, non. Second one is non. Its opposite word is unknown. Okay, unknown. Then third one, polite. Polite opposite word, impolite. Okay, impolite. Impolite is the opposite word of polite. And fourth one, visible. Visible opposite word, invisible. Okay, invisible. Okay, and fifth one, complete. Can you say what is the opposite word of complete? Incomplete. Okay, incomplete. And sixth one, healthy. Very good. Unhealthy. So, friendly, unfriendly, non-opposite, unknown, polite, impolite, visible, invisible, complete, incomplete, healthy, unhealthy. Okay. Now let's move to next activity B. Complete these sentences by using the answers from the previous exercise. That means we have to add these words, opposite words, yes, in between these sentences. Okay, so complete these sentences by using the answers from the previous exercise. Okay, so let's start. First one, at first we thought Laura was unfriendly, but later we realized that she was just shy. Okay, so we wrote here unfriendly from this exercise. Okay, then second one, eating so much junk food is an dash habit. Eating so much junk food is an unhealthy, yes, it is not good for our health, right? So it's an unhealthy habit. Then third one, chewing gum. chewing gum while talking to someone is, chewing gum while talking to someone is what? What is it? Impolite. Impolite, okay. That is impolite. Then fourth one, Priyal couldn't finish her homework yesterday. Now she is worried about submitting the dash work. She is worried about submitting the incomplete work. Okay? Incomplete work. Fifth one, Samath got a call from an dash number, so he did not pick it up. Samath got a call from an dash number, an unknown, okay, an unknown number, so he did not pick it up, okay. Then sixth one, there are millions of stars in the sky that are dashed to the naked eye. There are millions of stars in the sky that are dashed to the naked eye. What is it? Yes, invisible. We can't see it, okay? Invisible. So there are millions of stars in the sky that are invisible to the naked eye. So now please complete these two works and send to me, okay? Thank you.